First look of the Sigma 85 1.4, and it is a no-brainer. Absolutely beautiful. This is the Sigma 85mm 1.4 for the Sony mount, and oh my god, it's such a great lens. I'm a bit biased. I've been using this focal length for many years now. Sometimes this lens doesn't even leave my camera. I use it for sport, portrait, street photography, car photography. It's just amazing to have this, and it's so versatile. Now, to finally upgrade to the 1.4, I am honestly not disappointed whatsoever. This thing is a powerhouse of a lens. Now, to rattle off some specs, it has a 77mm filter thread on here. It only weighs 630 grams, which is kind of mind-blowing for a 1.4. Now, the way that it's built, it has metal all around it, which first of all has a really premium feel. I love that. But on top of that, to only weigh 630 grams, you barely notice that it's on your camera or even in your bag if you're carrying it. So it is definitely a lens that is worth putting into your backpack. Honestly, it is just incredible. I've found that these photos from this lens are just really clean. They're incredibly vibrant with their colors. Now, I don't know if it's got to do with the 11 aperture blades that are in here. To be honest, I don't usually look at that spec, but I have noticed that the bokeh coming from this lens is so buttery smooth. Let me know down below on what you think about the photos, if you're going to be buying this lens, or if you've been thinking about buying this lens. I'd be curious to hear your thoughts. All right, everyone, we have bought the Sigma 1.4 85. Got Josh.
What's up, man?
Hello. And Pat. He's a bit camera shy. Yeah, we're going to take some photos. Fuck yeah. Sigma 1.4.
Girthy.
It's girthy. It also looks like a 1.4.
Yeah.
There's a protest in Sydney at the moment. We get an official privilege of being in the middle of the road. Hey! Oh, it's an 85. It's an 85, I was too close. This guy's always here. Oh, he's going hard. That was nice. That was sick, yeah, that was awesome. Well, first look of the Sigma 85 1.4, and it is beautiful. The colors that are coming out of it looks absolutely amazing, and I'm really loving the depth of field. It's such a great lens. Reminds me of a time when I was in Barcelona. Someone, not like this, but had this like massive ring where they would dip it in and they would make like 2-meter long bubbles. Oh, yeah. And I got a shot in the middle of it. Oh, it's with that exact same tool. Yeah.
Correct.
They made like a 2-meter long bubble, and I got this really cool shot that came out of it. Let's see what else we can get. This 85 is so nice and sharp. Just gonna do it again. my god, my autofocus was tracking the bubble. That's so cool. Alright, let's keep moving. Alright, secret spot in Sydney. Oh, this place is aircon. Oh, we're just staying in here, man. Nice.
Up and down, up and down.
What's this up here?
Yeah, this is just a sitting viewing area.
Ah.
And then I just set up a tripod where I sit and I just wireless.
Holy dude, a time lapse here
Yeah.
would be awesome.
I've done time lapse.
I'm gonna do a time lapse here, night shot here, or maybe even a sunset or a sunrise here would be good.
Bang, 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 bang.
Yeah, you literally can. And then you'll get all the fairies. This is cool. Maybe. Fairy in reverse. Here we go. Hopefully you can see this as well. It's nice. It's not the best, but it's nice. To be honest, I like this little light spot here. We're gonna get a guy walking right through it. The bus is gonna do it. The bus is gonna go. I want to try and get half in, half out. It's doable. Just need people. Oh, these two are apart. Of course. The car has to be there. And the colors on this lens are just gorgeous. Ooh. We have another light spot, subject and light spot. Get the reflection. Oh, I didn't see the bike. I did not see the bike. That was insane. So we went to both of the car meets. The turnout wasn't that great. We got some good shots that you saw of Oliver and his car. But when we rocked up to the second one, it started pissing down rain. It was just non-stop. Right now, it has completely calmed down, and I'm just gonna take some nice shots of Oliver's car at the moment. I get to play with the 1.4 in the rain, which is honestly really ideal. See, this shot really looks cool. I like the blue from that building up there and the light. Okay, come.
Just have the lights on?
Look. See that blue?
Oh, dude,
It looks really cool.
that's awesome. Dude, the ambient lighting from the left as well. The red on the blue looks so good.
Actually, can you go in and put your brake lights on?
Yeah.
So one thing I love about the 85, I'm very comfortable with it. I'm very comfortable with this distance as well. But to have it as a 1.4 and it being faster as well, especially low light, it's just beautiful. And this Sigma lens is crystal clear. It is so sharp. The contrasts are great. Yeah, this is great. Thank you. I want to get the leading line from this gutter. Yeah, here we go. I need to remember to do more landscape shots as well. It's okay. Or puddles. I forgot about puddles. Oh, that's sick. Yeah, have a look. Oh, how mad. Let's cook. Let's cook a little bit. There's a reflection. There we go. Yeah, I'm telling you, this lens is just amazing. The 85 is just a no-brainer. Absolutely beautiful. My favorite lens, my favorite focal length. Honestly, you can never go wrong. As a beginner or a pro, 85mm is great. 1.8 is all you need, to be honest with you. But I've used this focal length for about 4 years now, and I finally have a 1.4, and I honestly cannot fault this Sigma lens. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's so much better than the Sony. Apparently the Sony, you can hear the focus ring and stuff, but the build of this is so much better. Oh, that is actually so much better. Yeah, lights on please. That's really cool. Let's go back here, this puddle is bigger. Let's go into crop mode. Yeah, there we go. The portrait of Oliver. Do one for vertical as well. Yeah, it looks much better. And look at this. Yeah. I love how your headlights are registered as a head for my autofocus. For some reason. Ooh, can we get lightning in the background as well, as soon as I see the sky light up, which I think I just got it. Alright guys, that's the 85, that's the video, that's my first impressions, that's the first look of this absolutely amazing lens. You should absolutely get one. See ya.